Hi, I'm Christina.
And I'm Alex, and we're both part of the marketing department here at Renault Trucks UK.
We're here today to launch our biggest ever social media competition, and it's your chance to play part in designing our future. As you're probably aware, our flagship model, the right-hand drive Range T-High, is coming to UK and Ireland very soon. In fact, the first 10 demonstrators will be here by the end of 2017.
Now this is where we really need your help. We want you to help us come up with a theme, a creative, eye-catching theme that we can use across the 10 demonstrators to make them stand out even more on the road. The competition is live from Wednesday the 1st of November until Wednesday the 15th of November on our social media pages. That's Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. To enter, just look out for the competition posts on our social media channels and leave a comment with your theme idea. No actual designs please, it's themes only.
Once all comments are in, our judging panels will then select 5 finalists who will each receive a prize. From this final shortlist, the overall winner will be selected. They will be invited to an exclusive event to see the first right-hand drive Range T-Highs. And, as an added bonus, they will also take home a Renault Trucks jacket and £200 to spend on gifts or vouchers at our rewards store.
So what's not to love about this great opportunity? Please, tell your friends, get everyone you know involved and make your theme suggestions from Wednesday the 1st of November until Wednesday the 15th of November. Now, you must be over 18 and a UK resident to enter. Full terms and conditions are available on our T-High website. And remember, only entries made on an official Renault Trucks social media channel will count. Good luck everyone, and thank you very much.